Today it's Isaac King Videos, and today I'm going to try and show you how to fix or get around this message on Android 5.0 and 5.1 Android Lollipop. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So the first solution is to clear the data on the YouTube app. Sadly, this is because YouTube is ending support to this version of YouTube. So, this is solution number 1. Let's fix this. So, there we go. So now let's clear the data and let's launch YouTube again and see if that solves the problem. If this solution doesn't work, this is step 2. Find an alternative YouTube app. Today I'm going to show you guys 4 cool YouTube apps. So, the first one I would like to show you is for web YouTube. This is the web YouTube, the internet YouTube that we have transformed into an app. It works absolutely great, and I can watch entertaining videos. Well, not that one. I hate that advert. It's disgusting. And so many more. So, the second YouTube I'd like to show you on Android 5 is the YouTube TV app. I somehow managed to get the TV YouTube for Android 5 on this device. You just have to type in YouTube TV APK for Android 5.0 and it should come up the latest one. So, and also it's still getting updates. So anyways, let's launch it. This is the official YouTube for TV. For some reason it's got voice search on, but I don't care. So, let's watch a video. Videos works on this. As you can see, videos works on TV YouTube. It works for any device and phones too. The touch is a bit annoying, but I don't care anyway, because it's still a good YouTube app. And also, why is YouTube making it so that we don't skip this? There we go. As anyways, YouTube works on here. As anyways, we've got another alternative YouTube, and that is YouTube Kids. Well, YouTube Kids is actually an app for kids. Technically, no one is really keen on YouTube Kids because it's kind of cringe, but I managed to make it uncringy by setting it to the older state. And also, you can enjoy childhood cartoons, many more fun, entertaining videos, and also domino videos, which I like to watch all the time. As anyways, the last alternative is Music Apps. On Music Apps, there is Music Apps on the Google Play Store right now. That's available for Android 5. The best one I'd like to show you is the app called Free Music, which is available on Google Play. And also, it's not just a music app, it can actually play YouTube videos too, which is the good news. Also, the TikTok, it looks like the TikTok icon, but modified a bit. The bug of there has been fixed. /English. Anyways, let's continue. Well, for some reason it's wanted me to update, but I remember this Fire tablet used to work, and it never used to. I used to back out of this, so let's try and trick it. There we go. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys. Oh, it's showing me adverts. That's never used to happen too. Why is it doing that stupid thing? Alright, let's search Jenny's Moments. There is option for songs, albums, and see. You can see it says powered by YouTube. So let's click this. As anyways, you have just got YouTube videos playing through like a music app. You just have to click here and voila, YouTube video right in front of you. As anyways, there is other YouTube alternatives like New Pipe and SkyTube and some others. And also the cool thing about this app is you can play video. You can see there's a video hovering over it, and I'm just going to close it down. Right. As anyways, that's all of my YouTube alternative apps and YouTube on Android 5.0 and 5.1 Lollipop in the future. As anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe to the latest Isaac King videos. As anyways, goodbye.